Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about how Evening Primrose Oil can be used as an oil to promote normal, natural hair growth. Evening Primrose Oil can help with hair loss that's been caused by environmental damage such as sun exposure, nutritional deficiencies, and scalp inflammation. So this is a video useful for both men and women, as oil of Evening Primrose has been found to promote healthy, normal hair growth. But I am also going to be discussing a male hormone called dihydrotestosterone. Now this is the hormone that kickstarts male pattern baldness in people who are genetically predisposed to balding. So for example, if you're a guy and hair loss runs in your family, then this is a hormone is likely to affect you going forward and could kickstart hair loss. So this video is useful for both men and women. Evening Primrose Oil contains an ingredient called gamma-linoleic acid. This is an unsaturated omega-6 fatty acid which comes from plant sources including spirulina, oats, hemp seed, black currants, borage seeds, primrose, and barley. Gamma-linoleic acid has shown lots of promise in helping to block DHT. So let's get into the video. My name is Fortuna and I'm the founder of It Really Works Vitamins. We're a hair care supplement brand from Great Britain, and we've been featured in Forbes magazine as the best nutrition innovation 2018 and 19, and we've recently been in Shortlist Magazine as the best hair regrowth product for men. But I just want to make this clear, we're not just for men, we are actually suitable for women as long as you're not pregnant or breastfeeding. And the best thing about It Really Works Vitamins is that if you try us and you just don't love your results, you don't feel that there's enough of a difference to make you happy, then all you've got to do is return the packaging to us and we'll give you a full refund with no questions asked. It's as simple as that. So check us out at itreallyworksvitamins.com. Check out our reviews, check out our Google page, just check us out really, and also check out our blog, because I really love writing the blog. As you can see, I'm really enthusiastic about hair care and hair loss. Yeah, just check out our website. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I've had a lot of coffee today, so I'm like really buzzing right now. We ship worldwide. Most of our customers are actually based in the US, so thank you guys, and India, Australia, Canada, Singapore, so thank you everyone. Only around 20% of our customers are actually from the UK, where we are based. So interesting fact. Okay, I am about to get into the Oil of Evening Primrose video, but I just want to quickly mention that we have a giveaway. If you'd like to win your very own 28-day supply of It Really Works Vitamins, all you've got to do is subscribe to our channel and comment on any of our videos and just let us know why you would like to win. It's as simple as that, and the deadline is the 1st of October. Okay, let's talk about Oil of Evening Primrose. Evening Primrose is a flowering plant with yellow blossom, and it blooms mostly in Europe and North America. The oil that's extracted from the seed is thought to have therapeutic properties and is used as an ingredient in beauty products, a health supplement, and a topical treatment. Lots more research needs to be done into the effects of Evening Primrose Oil on hair growth, but a number of studies have found that Evening Primrose Oil may be useful in helping to slow down male pattern baldness. In men who carry a certain combination of genes, the hormone dihydrotestosterone, or DHT, clings to hair follicles in certain places on the scalp and starts to shrink them in a process called miniaturization. We've got a whole playlist all about helping to block DHT if that's something that you're interested in. So I'm going to put it in here, and we'll put a card in and a link in the description. There are lots of ways that you can block DHT naturally, from applying DIY exfoliant scrubs to your scalp and eating the right food, drinks and snacks that can really help to slow down the conversion of testosterone to DHT. So please do check out our playlist, it's really useful. So don't forget to pick up your free ebook, Everything You Need to Know About Blocking DHT, from itreallyworksvitamins.com. The book includes a recipe for a homemade scalp exfoliant and the best foods and drinks that help to block DHT and regrow your hair. The link is in the description below. One really important polyunsaturated fat called gamma-linoleic acid has been found to help block DHT. GLA can be found in borage oil, evening primrose oil and blackcurrants, as well as the seeds and the plant sources that I mentioned a little bit earlier in the video. So I've put links in the description if you would like to check out these bits of research. They're really interesting, even though I do say so myself, I love reading research. As well as helping to block DHT, oil of evening primrose is known for being an anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, and its hormone balancing properties. So let's talk about the benefits of evening primrose oil. Evening primrose oil contains arachidonic acid. This ingredient has been found to help promote new hair growth and help existing hair shafts grow longer. Evening primrose oil is high in essential fatty acids including linoleic acid, gamma-linoleic acid, glutamine. Linoleic acid is considered an essential omega-6 fatty acid, as our body cannot produce this fatty acid itself. Fatty acids are so good for us as they encourage healthy cell growth, they fight oxidative stress, and reduce inflammation. And omega-6 fatty acids are great as they contribute in particular to healthy hair. Evening primrose oil can help with hair loss that's been kickstarted by nutritional deficiency, scalp inflammation, or environmental damage. Evening primrose oil also contains phytoestrogens, and so some researchers suggest that this can help with hormone imbalances that lead to hair loss, for example, the menopause. And guys, I just want to remind you that if hair loss is something that's happening to you right now, then I totally empathise. I set up my own hair care supplement brand 5 years ago, and fast forward to now, we've just been featured in Shortlist Magazine as the best hair regrowth product for men, but we are also suitable for women as long as you're not pregnant or breastfeeding. And we've been in Forbes as the best nutrition innovation 2019 and 18. So if you would like to try us out, just visit us at itreallyworksvitamins.com, and don't forget to get 15% off your order with coupon code YouTube15. So let's go back to talking about evening primrose oil. So let's talk about topical application of evening primrose oil. So unlike essential oils, evening primrose oil doesn't need to be diluted, but you do need to do a patch test to make sure that it won't cause a rash or any kind of horrible allergic reaction. So I've got some here. To do a patch test, all you do is just get a little bit, and I normally just dab it behind my ear or somewhere where no one will notice, like just a hidden bit of your arm. Leave it for about 24 to 48 hours, and if you don't have any irritation, then you're good to go. But if you do find it causes irritation, then wash the area with cool water and don't ever use evening primrose oil ever again. And if you want to use evening primrose essential oil, so that's different from evening primrose oil, then if it's the essential oil, you're definitely going to need to dilute it in a carrier oil. So for example, coconut oil or olive oil are great carrier oils. And you'll need to do a patch test if you want to use evening primrose oil and your chosen carrier oil. Just want to make sure that, please do not try doing this without doing a patch test, because it could go horribly wrong. And also remember guys, if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, or you may be pregnant, you might want to speak to your doctor first before trying evening primrose oil. To apply evening primrose oil, well, you get your little bottle here. I pour some into my hands. You can heat it up in your hands like this by rubbing it together, and then just massaging gently into the scalp. I always do this with dry hair because when you have wet hair, the water actually covers the hair follicle and it's not as good to absorb the oil. So I always do this with dry hair, and you massage it into your scalp. You can use as much evening primrose oil as you like. Please do the patch test first. I know I just keep covering that base, but I don't want anyone to get horrible rashes. Put it onto warm it up in my hands, put it onto the tips of my fingers, and then massage it into my scalp like this. You can leave it on for about 30 minutes or so, or up to an hour or a couple of hours, and then wash off with a gentle paraben-free shampoo. You can also mix Evening Primrose Oil into your own shampoo and massage it gently into the roots, making sure that it does get to the roots, and wash out as normal with a paraben-free conditioner and shampoo. Supplements. Oil of Evening Primrose Oil can also be taken in supplement form, but it's important to speak to your doctor, especially if you have any pre-existing conditions or allergies, and if you're pregnant or breastfeeding. Question of the day. Are there any essential oils that you use that are really good for hair growth? Please do let us know in the comments below. As you can see, I love learning more about hair growth products and how to fight hair loss, so I would definitely be interested in finding out, even if it's just for me and you're not sharing it with anyone else. Also guys, we have a giveaway. If you would like to win your very own 28-day supply of It Really Works vitamins, all you've got to do is subscribe to our channel and comment on any of our videos, just letting us know why you'd like to win. We deliver worldwide, so don't worry if you're in Timbuktu and you think, oh, maybe I'm not eligible to enter the competition. You are. Everyone is eligible. Just subscribe and comment, letting us know why you'd like to win. So you guys, I really hope you have enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions or feedback. Hit us up on Instagram. We are at It Really Works Vitamins. Lots of people also like to send pictures of their hair or their scalp. They just want to ask questions, and I'm so here for that. I love giving advice and feedback and just, yeah, getting to the bottom of what could be causing hair loss and introducing other natural healthy products that could fight hair loss and encourage a healthy scalp. I am here for that. As you can see, I just talk so much. I hope I haven't been waffling through this video. I hope you found it useful. Please do subscribe to our channel, and please do give this video a big thumbs up, because it really does help our channel to grow. And I'm looking forward to seeing you guys next time. Our channel's been growing so much, so it's just so exciting. Thank you guys. Have a lovely weekend or afternoon, wherever you are, whatever time of day you're seeing this video, and see you very soon. Bye for now.